What's up guys, it's time for the yearly YouTube post. Today I'm going to show you how to be a car YouTuber. I feel like over the past 2 years I've established myself as a car YouTuber, amassing over 30 subscribers within this time period. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so a huge thing for YouTubers across the board is being relatable. For car YouTubers, throw that crap out of the window. You want the flashiest car you can get. The flashier your car, the more successful you will be on YouTube. That being said, peep the whip. Hey, another part of being a car YouTuber, you gotta have your spot. This can be your garage, your parents' house, a mechanic shop, the top of a parking garage. For me, it's the back of this Winn-Dixie. I shop here probably once a week on the regular. I get groceries such as, we'll talk about that later. But yeah, y'all are gonna see my channel grow here, and each new car I'm gonna put right in this spot because it has graffiti and I think that makes the car look cool. Yeah, I'm edgy. Bonus tip. Whenever you're driving and people see your sick Nissan Altima or whatever car you're driving, they're gonna wonder, who drives that? As a car YouTuber, it is your it is your duty to have your Instagram, YouTube, and or any other extension written on your car. I'm gonna fix that right now. Okay, that's an H. Now look, everyone who sees me driving is gonna be like, wow, this dude is so cool and I need to follow him. We forgot the YouTube logo. A little play button and a little square. Haha. Being a car YouTuber, you should probably know your stuff about cars. I've been working in an auto shop for the past 3 years, so I've learned a thing or two, so let me show you a thing or two. This right here is an engine. You put your oil in right here, that's an alternator, that's a battery, that's a air filter box. So you say, oh, what's in the air filter box? Well, let me show you, kid. It's an air filter, air comes through here, gets filtered, gets thrown in your engine, air plus fuel plus spark equals boom equals power. Let's get it. That's all you need to know for now. I'll teach you the rest later. It is a rule that in every one of your videos, someone has to work on a car at some point. So you say, well, Seth, no one's been working on a car in this video. Bull. My friend Bob is under this car doing exhaust work. Listen. How's it going, Bob? I forgot that he's mute and deaf, but he's under there, so this counts as a car YouTube video. So let's keep going on with the video. Let's go. As a car YouTuber, one of the things you're gonna have to learn how to do is film while driving. The way I suggest you do this is you don't. Your YouTube video is not worth endangering the lives of others. If you want to endanger your own life for views, that's fine, but yeah, just stick to not doing this. I'm filming right now in park at a gas station. But yeah, this is one of the tips that I suggest you not doing. That's my tip for it, is don't film while driving. Going off the first thing that I said is being like relatable. So you're gonna want to have multiple cars. So right now we're driving to my second garage, and I'm gonna show you some of my other cars. So stay tuned. I got a lot of them. All right, so as you can see, these are all cars. And you might be asking yourself, do you own all of these? No, only the cool ones. So like if you look to your right, that's a Camaro. But we see that it's a V6, so stop filming that. I don't own that. The Mini Cooper, I don't own that. That Chevy truck, I own that. That's mine. And you know, since all the stuff that's going on in the world, a lot of my cars had to get shipped overseas to get stored in like actual garages. So I'm sorry guys, but not a lot of them are in here. Yeah, I might have to take y'all back here another time. I own this Jeep though. That's pretty cool. Shout out to whoever owns. I mean, that's mine. Yeah. Alright, so two last things. One, whatever trend is going on in the car community, you want to hop on that, be it flipping salvage cars or buying wrecked supercars and fixing them up. Just what everybody else is doing, you want to do, but kind of do it in your own way. And the last thing is, you got to kind of have a catchphrase for your channel. Some of the more successful car YouTubers have branded this into a merch line, but that's far down the road. But with all these tips, you got everything you need to know to be a car YouTuber, so enjoy the fame, baby.